Hello from Key Homes and Handyman Services. We're at Boca Raton today in Boca Raton, Florida. This is one of our typical condo renovations that you can see that this is an ordinary day here with us. And we're very particular, we're very clean, we're very neat, trustworthy, and of course we have a best rate guarantee. So you know it's a one-stop shop, and we do from minor repairs to, like you're seeing here, a complete renovation, condos and homes in the area. This is the master bath. We've actually opened up the 80s style 24-inch openings to 30. A little more, more confined, I guess they did back then, but now a much more modern look. And that'll be a shower versus a tub, what it was formerly. All new shaker cabinets. Of course, the toilet will be coming out, but you know, the newer drains, as you can see, everything's will be brought up to 2022. And we work within the owner's budgets and timeline, so rest assured we get the job done at the price we say and on time. This is actually the guest bathroom where we've taken out the shower. It's a small guest bathroom, but it actually looks a lot larger now, but we've taken out the shower. We've come back with a modern acrylic tub. And that formerly, like I said, was a shower, so we can actually convert a shower into a tub shower. And everything's gonna be painted, and we've removed the popcorn ceiling rather, and we've come back with the knockdown texture, which is more pleasing on the eye, and cosmetically is much more appealing. So we can do that for you as well. All the doors, electrical, as you can see. You can see that we keep everything clean, organized. We've actually removed, this is something that we do typically a lot, I should say, remove the old drop down or tray ceiling, and it just gives it a lot more volume, a much bigger, larger look. Cabinets will go from, all the way up to the ceiling. That wall was actually removed, so the refrigerator becomes counter depth. Again, cleaner lines. And we'd love to hear from you. No job is too big or too small. We have a best rate guarantee, as I said. And it's a beautiful view here. Boca Raton, just so you know, is formerly used to have 3 9-hole golf courses. Now it's being converted into a parks recreation area with trails and activity areas and whatnot. So it's protected by a Green Act, so it can never be built on. So this is quite an interesting area and quite an up and coming area. And like I said, we're very familiar with these units, and we'd love to hear from you. I'll be checking in with you periodically. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and myself or Kevin will get back to you. And please give us a call. And of course, hit the like button.